Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Now after the release of the Cyberpunk video game early this year, after that massive patch update which basically cured a few of the faults with that game, we managed to spot these Cyberpunk action figurines within a local B&M store only costing, yes, £10. That's around 15 in US dollars. Now both of these figures are from McFarlane Toys. On the left you've got the Johnny Silverhand character, which the looks are based upon the actor Keanu Reeves. To the right we've got the refigurine, which is based upon the male character that you start off with within the game. Now we do indeed know that you can get the Johnny Silverhand in the 12-inch version, but it's in fact more like a stiff posable figure, rather than the articulated versions that are here today. You can buy that particular figure on various different stores across the internet. With these McFarlane Toys being the first wave of Cyberpunk figurines, we hope to be seeing some more in the near future. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's check out the Johnny Silverhand figure first. Inside the box, we get the Johnny Silverhand figurine. It has 22 points of articulation, so basically you can pose it in many different ways. Now what we get is a detachable hand. This particular one that's already fitted is the guitar grip hand. Now we get a second one which is more like rock and roll, rock out hand. Basically what you would see Keanu Reeves do in the Bill and Ted films. Wild Stallions! Now because of the superposability of this actual figure, we do in fact get a little bass stand. And with that particular bass stand we get the Cyberpunk brand which is printed on top. We have some holes that are provided in the bottom of Johnny Silverhand's feet, and you basically place the figure on top of the bass stand just like so. And with a bit of patience, you can place the figure in a numerous amount of poses, which is aided fantastically by the articulation on the toes of the feet too. Now let's bring in some more accessories. So as we mentioned, we've got the spare hand that's already fitted. We've got a very detailed electric guitar, the handy little guitar strap which is supplied with samurai printed upon it. Swap that hand back over. Place the guitar on the figure, and he now looks ready to rock out. And just to top this whole rock and roll look off, we've actually got some peach Ciroc vodka. So just place it just there. No drinking. So the whole figure has a fantastic look, very detailed in fact. And for £10, you know what, I'm really surprised at how amazing it actually looks. Now looking at the Ree character, again we are provided with a number of accessories. First let's take the figure out. And once again we do get 22 points of articulation. The articulation on both of these figures is fantastic. You can bend the toes, bend the wrists, bend the arms, and you can even take this leather looking jacket off if you wish. So you can tell he's got a little black tank top on, and his body also twists. Again, I do like the fantastic pinpoint detail, even down to the Adam's apple on the neck. On the back of the jacket we've got samurai written on the collar, with some wonderful looking high top sneakers which also swivel 360 degrees too. We do get another Cyberpunk bass stand. Let's place the Ree character on top of it, and again with a bit of patience you can place this figure within any type of position or pose, and it stays relatively balanced and stable. When it comes to the accessories with this figure, we get a beam katana. We also get a Militech Saratoga pistol and a Kangtao SMG assault machine gun, which looks absolutely fantastic when it's placed within the figure's hand. I personally think that these figures would indeed look good on any type of floating shelf, kept as a retro ornament. And even though the box says it's suitable for 14-year-olds and above and it's not a toy, I certainly think that most kids would certainly have a blast with both of these figures. Now please note, if you're intending to use the backdrop that's in the box, that when you take the base stand out you practically rip the back of the box. This is the only fault when it comes to the overall package with both of these figures. So if you're indeed intending to collect both of these figures and keep them fully intact, then you're better off leaving the base stand sealed within that backdrop. So there you go, two awesome figures from the Cyberpunk video game, Johnny Silverhand and the male Ree character. Now there are indeed an amount of various different shops you can actually buy these figures from, but if you're intending to get them cheap for £10 like I did, then you're better off shooting to your local B&M store, which is a home store here within the UK, pick yourself one up, If you're ordering online, I will certainly leave a link in the video description down below. Once again, you can buy a Johnny Silverhand 12-inch figure. I will also leave a link for that particular figure too. If you do actually check it out for yourselves, and you've liked what you've seen today, well, why not? Go get yours! Now, while you're in that video description, guys, it'd mean so much if you please smash that like button. Please subscribe to this channel today, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, I enjoyed doing this toy, well, collectible figure review today, and I hope to be doing some more cool tech and gadget reviews coming in the near future, so stay tuned for them. But as usual, guys, I hope you all stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching this unboxing today. Peace!